Hi guys, and welcome to a brand new video. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Linda. If you're a returning subscriber, hi, welcome back. Guys, welcome to another video. It's catch-up time, so let's just get right into it. Today is Saturday, March 16th. The time right now is 12:30 in the afternoon. I did check before I came here. I'm in my playroom slash office. That's where I'm filming right now. The temperature outside, as you can probably tell by the lighting in the video, it is so bright and sunny outside. Beautiful. Like the sky is actually blue and the clouds are out there. So the temperature is 8 degrees outside, which is amazing. Absolutely stunning, and I hope to get some time to go outside later today. So first things first, I hope you guys are doing good. Hope you are well. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. If you're subscribed, if you haven't, I hope you will enjoy this video nonetheless. And thank you guys for also just engaging with the content overly. So I'm at home today. I'm thinking of doing a Saturday reset. So this vlog is going to be like a Saturday reset, and I will talk to you guys like right now, and then we'll catch up on things and what's going on, and then the rest of the video you guys will just watch me catch up and just like reset my home. When it comes to like home reset and homemaking and like new week resets, I know some people do like Sunday reset, some people do like Saturday reset. For me, I prefer to do like meal planning and prep on Sundays, and then for my Saturdays I prefer to do like a reset. And so not necessarily the entire home, but certain parts of the home, because throughout the week I will be able to do other parts of the house. So today we're going to tackle my kitchen. We're going to clean my kitchen, we're going to clean all the floors in the home, and we're going to clean my living room as well as my couch. It needs a vacuum cleaner at this point, and so I have one for that actually is specific for my couch. And then I need to do some ironing, which I will probably do tomorrow, but today I do need to get into my kids' closet and just like arrange their clothing items in preparation for school on Monday. I think that's what we're actually gonna get up to. I also have laundry to do, but it's not a lot. It's probably like one load. So when it comes to laundry, like I will put in laundry, and whilst my laundry is running, I will be unplaiting my daughter's hair. Yesterday, Friday, I was supposed to go for an appointment, like a doctor's appointment, but then that didn't work out so great. I haven't rescheduled, but I'm planning to reschedule that appointment online. And for this Saturday reset that we are gonna do, it won't take us a long time. I think it should take us about like an hour and a half, depending on what I'm doing. Sometimes as a mom, I need to attend to my kids. Sometimes they need something, or you know, we're just making a snack and stuff like that, so time just goes by. As well as like it's important to like include space and time for like phone calls and you know, just life in general. Sometimes, you know, I find that as a mom, as I'm growing older, sometimes when I am, you know, cleaning or doing a certain task that is quite intense, a certain part of my body might respond and start to feel a little bit sore. And so I am compassionate and gentle with myself enough to actually take time to sit down on the couch and be like, okay, I need a minute, because it doesn't help for me to keep pushing and pushing and pushing, and maybe like that the final results of my work are just not up to my satisfaction. But it's okay to take breaks in between and just like listen to your body, because that is so important. I feel like I wish when we were younger we were taught more to pay attention to our body and listen to our body, the way our body responds to our environment, or like the tasks we're doing, the relationships around us, the things in life. Really, like your body will tell you more than your mind could, and so that is really important to consider. And I'll definitely like incorporate that as I will be like cleaning my home today. So today, outfit of the day, mommy's outfit. Typically I'm not a color girl, but it's okay. Like if that's what's comfortable for me, I will wear it. So that's what's comfortable for me right now. I have my head wrap. You guys have seen me in this all the time, and you will see me with my head wrap a lot more. And then I'm wearing a tie-dye t-shirt, and at the bottom I'm just wearing like pink pajama pants, because I find that PJ pants are so comfortable for me at home, especially when I'm trying to get the house clean and the house done. So yeah, that's pretty much what we are getting up to. Friday, what else happened? Thursday, Friday was a lot in terms of like content creation and the content creation process. Honestly, like if you try to be a YouTuber or try to be like a content creator in whatever aspect, sorry, hold on, that was my daughter. She wanted me to tie her shoes. She's wearing some ballet shoes. So if you have considered being a content creator, right, or maybe like a YouTuber, whatever it is, you guys, like Thursday and Friday, the internet plays a role in literally like all of this, like it does. And you're talking about gadgets, software. It's a whole lot of work behind YouTube, and for me, I was just having some issues with my gadgets basically and my devices, and that was just like really, really hard because there's a vlog that I actually filmed, and on that day, like I think it was last week Thursday, I tried to edit the entire video, but I kept on losing my content, and that was so frustrating for me because I spent hours and hours and hours trying to work on that content, but that content was just like not working. And so, of course, like there's that little voice that came into my ear, and that was like, well, it is what it is. Are you really gonna spend all your time trying to figure out a technical issue? Just like put your tools down, girl, and live your life. But then one thing about me, like I don't give up so easily, especially when it comes to things that I'm passionate about and things that I love and things that I know that are so meaningful to me. I was like, no ways, guys. I pushed through and I was able to figure it out. So I've changed my editing software. I was using CapCut, if you guys are familiar with CapCut, but now I've moved to iMovie. I don't know why I didn't think of iMovie, but well, I'm back to editing on my phone. I'm no longer editing on my laptop because the hours and hours I spent putting into that and then losing the content still, that made me really, really sad. But I was able to push through. And just to encourage you, like sometimes when you're building a business, when you're building a career, when you're building anything, you're building a craft, really, skills, something that like it's like a long-term type of journey, like YouTube. Doesn't necessarily have to be content creation, because I find that nowadays a lot of encouragement and motivation and everything is centered around content creation, and that's valid. Like we're living in a day and age where everybody's technically creating content, right? You create but then at the same time, like there are other people who are into farming, some people who don't necessarily film a reel when they are building a house, or they're into things like that. Farming is what I can think of right now, like on the top of my head, or into flowers, or into grapes and vineyards and stuff. Like they will experience some hurdles at some point, whether it's with the weather or with their whatever's happening, but they still need to keep going. It's okay to take a break. I actually did take a break, and I was advised to take a break at some point. I did take a break. I took a breather, and then I still kept on going to find solutions in order for this to work out for me. So I'm just glad that I'm back and I'm actually filming, and I know that when I'm done filming, I can actually edit this video today and store it in my studio ready to post. So yeah, that was just a lot. It really builds that resilience, and now I know, like if I ever incur such a problem, if I were to incur such a problem, like I wouldn't give up so easily. I would still know that there is a solution. That's one thing about how I kind of live my life technically. When I incur a problem, I always believe that there's a solution. So I might not act on it immediately. I might feel certain feelings around it, but I know that at some point, like something is just gonna work out. And 10 out of 10 times, like it really just works out. Those are my kids. So let's go get this Saturday started, because yeah, if we don't, like we won't start. And the sun keeps dipping and dipping out, you guys. Like I apologize if the lighting is a bit extra, if it's too much or if it's too little. I'm just doing the best that I can with the lighting that I have. If I take this lighting down and then the sun goes down, and then it just like it messes up the quality of the lighting. Sometimes the lighting is a little bit too high, sometimes a little bit too low, sometimes it is balanced. But at the end of the day, as long as you guys can see me and hear me, like, I hope that is enough. So let's get started, and then I'll see you when I see you. If I don't see you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please remember to give it a like, comment. I just want to make sure that I say bye before the vlog just like shuts down, you know what I mean? So if I don't see you to say goodbye, I'll see you guys in my next video. But for now, please watch. We've got a reset to do.